Hi everyone, we're going to form a polynomial p of x with real coefficients that have the given degree and zeros. So we have degree 4 here. We have a complex 0 at 1 plus 2i. Its conjugate is 1 minus 2i. And we have a negative 2 at multiplicity 2. That just means we're going to write this as x minus a negative 2 squared, which would be x plus 2 squared. All right, and then we're going to put all this together. We're also going to use the associative property of real numbers, meaning that a plus b plus c equals a plus b plus c. And that's going to simplify this a lot. So let's get started. Since we have this one with a multiplicity of 2, we're going to write that as x plus 2 squared, because that's a multiplicity of 2. Now, I'm going to do the same thing with this one and its conjugate. I'm going to write x minus 1 plus 2i. And then for this one, I'm going to write the same thing, x minus, that's an x, minus 1 minus 2i. And then we're going to put all this together. The first thing I'm going to do is use my associative property and move the parentheses around. For example, we have, this one we can go ahead and simplify. This is the, right here, x squared plus 4x plus 4. That's just your basics of expanding factors there. And this one I'm going to move the parentheses around and write this as x minus 1 plus 2i. So I just use my associative property and do the same thing for this second quantity here. We have x minus 1 minus 2i. Now what I've done by doing that is I have this form here of a plus b times a minus b. In this case it's I and I. And then following our complex conjugate rules, that's going to be a squared plus b squared. Thus, we're going to eliminate the i's. Remember, I squared equals negative 1. So when I rewrite this, I'm still going to have my x squared plus 4x plus 4. Now, I'm going to write this as my a. My a is x minus 1. Square it. So we just did that part. My b is 2. So you're going to put plus, I'm just following this formula, a squared plus b squared. And so 2 and square it. So again, we're going to have x squared plus 4x plus 4. And this piece right here is x squared minus 2x plus 1. And then this equals 4. And this last step on this is you're going to add that up, and that's going to be a 5. So you get x squared plus 4x plus 4, and it's going to be x squared minus 2x plus 5. Now, to save time on the video, if you're at this level in your math studies, you can FOIL this out and make a polynomial. So you're going to basically, let me get a lighter color here. You're going to multiply these 3 together, then multiply these 3 together, and then multiply these 3 together. And I'm going to leave it for you to do, just to save time on the video. And what I got for this, and I might be wrong, but it's just kind of boring to do. But basically, when I did that, I got x to the 4th plus 2x cubed plus 5x squared plus 4x cubed minus 8x squared plus 20x plus 4x squared, that's a 4, minus 8x plus 20. So that's your P of x. And so finally, if you put all this together and collect like terms, I got x to the 4th plus 2x cubed plus x squared plus 14x plus 20. So you can check me on that, but the main thing was how to eliminate those i's so we could form a polynomial. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.